Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got the new GoPro Hero 10 just arrived. Thought I'd get this ready for the snowboard trip to get some of that hyper smooth butteriness. So I'm going to try and do the vlog on this now. It's got like the front facing screen. A little bit easier than the camera setup I've got now. So today's episode, we're just going to do the final touches of the van. Basically, like when we're sleeping in, have a bit of an airflow. If I keep the window open a little bit at night time, snow will come in. So I bought these. We need to figure out how to put these on. Maybe like a double security thing. Follow the curve of the door. Peel off a little bit like that. Fold it over. And then on this side, so like that. Moment of truth. Yeah. Looks straight, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Peel it off. Like that. Line that nice there. HiAce. Skip that. Oh yeah. One down. Try and install the roof box now. The idea is the roof box is going to be lined up with the sliding door here, so it's not going to be like in the center of the HiAce van. How's that looking? The airflow. Should be good, or? Open. Snap. Perfect. Not the Swell logo on there. We're coming to the end of today's episode. Finished the van for this upcoming snowboard trip. Run you through what it is. We've got the drip tray here for the snowboard boots. Just kind of like the drying station. Hang the jacket and pants up at the end of the day. So the reason I've put it at the back of the van is come down from the mountain, finish snowboarding, take the jacket and pants off. We've got that. Use the back door as a kind of roof. Get changed here. It's nice. We can sit down, take the boots off, put the boots on, and got a drip tray here, like an old car mat, just to kind of keep the moisture out the floor of the van. From the previous video, you see that we got the pull-out table and have all the cooking stuff down here. Big thank you to my mum for sending me the Highland cow. Stuck the Highland cow on there on my pull-out table. So thanks, Mum. And the car park as well. We'll come back from snowboarding, have a little break, have a coffee, whatever. And so again, thanks, Mum, for the Highland cow. Looks good. So at the moment we've got the bed in couch mode, and then the bed is pull-out slat bed. Just pull it out. You see the pull-out slat here, and then it goes down into double. Woo! Yeah, cozy double bed. All right. Last thing before, I'm just going to wax the skis, put them in the roof box which we installed today, and thanks for watching. So guys, if you want to follow the snowboard trip and future surf trips and stuff inside the van, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below, and I swear hopefully the next few videos I'll try and do a bit more Japanese as well. So I kind of slacked a little bit on the old Nihongo. But hey man, cheers for watching.